Hey everyone, welcome back to another TechHub Challenge solution. Today we're tackling a common data cleaning task using Python and Pandas, cleaning a profit and loss sheet from an Excel file. This is a great exercise in handling financial data efficiently, so let's dive right in. So first, we need to load our data. We're working with an Excel file that contains a P&L sheet using pandas. We'll read this sheet into a data frame so we can manipulate it. As you can see in the code, the load the Excel file contains the file path and output file. You can use this, you can locate your file just going into the document where it's located, right click into it and copy path and then just paste it right here. Don't forget to import pandas as PD and then load PNL sheet. Create the data frame, df equals pd.read Excel just so that the Excel file is loaded in the Python. Step 2, we need to create a copy of the PNL sheet. As you can see, after the load PNL sheet, you have make a copy from final. Very easy, just create the name df final equals df.copy. We do this so that we make sure we don't modify the original data. We'll create a new sheet called final PNL and work with that copy. The step 3, we need to remove the accounts with a zero balance. For this one, we iterate through the accounts and remove any row where the balance is 0. This helps us clean up unnecessary entries. Then the step 4 is hiding the column F. We need to hide this column. While we can't hide columns in pandas, we can drop them from the final output if needed. We do so just by doing df final, which is calling the data frame, and dot drop, and then you name the column that's F. As you can see, the next step is to create the final sheet. So this is the save the cleaned sheet as final PNL, where you'll have the df final.toXL and create the new sheet name final PNL. Finally, we're just saving the cleaned file. We save this as a new Excel file called PNL cleaned. Don't forget to put the displaying summary message, display success message, which is going to be the final PNL is ready for review. The number of accounts have been removed. And that's it. We successfully cleaned our P&L sheet by removing zero balance accounts, hiding unnecessary columns, and saving the results. If you found this helpful, make sure to participate in the challenge at TechHub.Training. Thanks for watching and see you in the next challenge.